Chinese companies are quickly taking over the AI market. Recently, we saw the buzz created by the startup DeepSeek. And today, we're going to take a look at another chatbot that's also showing brilliant results. Is ChatGPT done, or do new players still have room to grow? Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, we'll explore the capabilities of the Qwen chatbot. I'll test it with simple math problems and text generation tasks. But that's not all. The AI can also generate images and even videos. So today, we'll see how well it handles creating visual content. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Now, let's get to the heart of today's tutorial. Okay guys, let's start this review of the new hyped Qwen 2.5 Max model from Alibaba, one of the biggest Chinese companies. On the chat.qwenlm.ai website, you can choose from several Qwen models with different parameters and settings. The interface itself looks like a typical AI chat, similar to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and others. There's a left panel displaying the chat history, and in the bottom left corner, you'll find your profile with various settings. I must admit, the settings here are quite extensive. You can customize the interface, view detailed descriptions of each model available in the chat, import or export chats, and manage account details. Overall, the platform offers plenty of customization options. On the main page, there's also a standard chat, where you can enable various tools like artifact integration, web search, image generation, and video generation. You'll also find starter templates, and you can upload your own documents and images. Now, let's test this model with some math problems. We'll start with a simple question, where the correct answer is 9. As we can see, Qwen LM provides a step-by-step solution, explaining each calculation. The final answer is, of course, 9, correct as expected. Let's try another one. When Sally is 54 years old, her mother is 80, how many years ago was Sally's mother 3 times her age? Once again, the model walks us through the solution step by step. The correct answer is 41, and we see that it matches Qwen's final answer, 41 years. The model clearly outlines the logic behind the solution. One more math problem. A man is climbing a mountain with an incline. He needs to travel 100 kilometers to reach the top. During the day, he climbs 2 kilometers forward. Exhausted, he rests there at night. However, while he slips 1 kilometer backwards due to the incline. How many days will it take him to reach the top? The correct answer is 99 days. Once again, Qwen 2.5 Max provides a detailed step-by-step breakdown, leading to the correct result. Next, let's start a new chat and ask it to create a simple snake game using HTML. We can see that Qwen 2.5 Max is developing the game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The generation is in progress. Once the code is ready, we'll test the game in a browser. The model provides an explanation of how to run the game. The AI mentions that you need to create index, style, and script files, and then launch index.html in a browser. For convenience, we'll use an online editor like CodePen to see how it works there. I'll copy the HTML, CSS, and JS into CodePen. We can see that the game runs. But there's a minor issue. When the page reloads, the target's starting position jumps randomly, making it impossible to chase. However, we can refine it. Overall, the game works. When you press a key, the snake moves, and if it hits a wall, the game ends. So, we can say that Qwen handled the task, but it could have done better by creating a fully functional code from the start. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now, let's ask it to help us with a brainstorming task, something we used to do in ChatGPT. We'll ask Qwen to generate 5 product descriptions for an online store selling vitamins and dietary supplements. Let's see how well it copes with this challenge. Here we have the VitaBoost Daily Multivitamin product. So Qwen is already coming up with product names and writing descriptions. It handled this task quite well, no major issues here. Let's continue with brainstorming and ask for some relevant business ideas. The results are pretty creative. I'm impressed that it mentioned mental health and wellness services, topics that major corporations like Google and Facebook usually avoid. It also provides a well-structured breakdown for each idea. Overall, I'd say Qwen did an excellent job with our request. Next, let's see how well it can handle web search tasks. We'll ask for the latest news in AI technology, and we can see a search panel appear on the right. Qwen provides excerpts from the articles, along with links to the sources. The summary is quite decent. We can ask for additional details, and the AI expands on the topic, while referencing the same sources or adding new ones when necessary. Another solid performance from Qwen. Now let's test image generation. We'll ask it to generate an elephant drinking tea. Let's wait for the process to finish. It is fairly quick, and soon we'll have the final image. The result is quite good, although the tea seems to be spilling a bit. Still, the image looks nice and matches our request well. Next, let's use the same prompt, but create a video instead. We'll start the video generation tool and wait for the results. This takes longer than image generation, but let's be patient and see what we get. Since I initially used a less advanced model for both image and video generation, I'll now regenerate the image using the latest Qwen 2.5 Max version. The tool processes the image pretty quickly. Now let's compare the output from the Plus version with the Max version. I'll give it a dislike since it didn't meet our expectations. Now let's switch back to the maximum version and try video generation again. We'll ask it to generate a clip of an elephant drinking tea and see what Qwen 2.5 Max produces. Since it takes quite a bit of time, we'll need to wait for the process to complete. The video is finally ready, and now we can see the result. There is an elephant approaching a teacup and attempting to drink. This is the Max version's output. Since earlier we ran the same prompt on the Plus version, we can now compare the results. To be honest, it's unclear what the elephant is doing. In the previous video, it at least tried to interact with the cup, while here it's just moving its trunk. Overall, I'd consider this result a bit questionable. Final thoughts. There's no doubt that Qwen can be a decent assistant for a variety of tasks. It handles simple problems well, generates code, and even has built-in image and video generators. In my opinion, the tool did a great job with brainstorming and provided really good answers without any fluff. The image generation isn't perfect, but that's still a bottleneck for many AI tools. Or do you think the model is great, and I'm too critical in my assessment? If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time!